Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to pay with QuickBooks. First, navigate to the vendor's menu and select Pay Bills. This feature helps you manage your outgoing payments efficiently. You'll see a list of all outstanding bills, allowing you to choose which ones to pay. It's a straightforward process designed to save you time and keep your finances organized, ensuring you never miss a payment due date. Once you're in the Pay Bills window, you can easily select the bills you wish to pay. Simply check the box next to each bill. Next, choose your payment method. You can pay via check, credit card, or even online banking, depending on your QuickBooks setup. Ensure you select the correct bank account from the drop-down menu, as this impacts your ledger. After selecting your bills and payment method, review all the details carefully. If you're printing checks, QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm the check numbers. For electronic payments, the system records the transaction immediately. Always double-check the amounts and vendor information to prevent errors. This step ensures your financial records are accurate and up-to-date. Finally, it's crucial to verify that your payments have been recorded accurately. You can check your vendor reports or bank register within QuickBooks. Regular bank reconciliation is essential to match your QuickBooks records with your bank statements. This practice helps identify any discrepancies and ensures your financial data is reliable for future planning and tax purposes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.